Today we are going to start with a new method, that is in formula method. So let's start. Okay. So today's our method is formula method. This method is very easy class. Just you have to remember this formula. That is an x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. Everything is based on this formula. And I hope you know the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square bx plus c. Okay, and you will get three coefficients, that is a, b, c. Just you need to substitute this value in this formula and you will get your two root. This is very easy, and the question asked on these formulas are of 3 marks. Okay, 3 marks. So in this, first you need to find b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This part you'll find first. Okay, the root of the quadratic equation, and you'll get 2 root of x, that is plus or minus 1 root or 2 root. As you know, the standard form of quadratic equation, the power is 2. That's why you're always going to get 2 roots. Okay. The roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Acha, how you'll understand that the roots are real or equal? For that, you need to understand 3 points. To state your statement, whether it is real or equal, whether it is not real, whether it is real and unequal. Okay. For this 3 statement, first you need to understand the value of this. B square minus 4ac, it can be always denoted by delta. Just see here. To state whether it is real or equal, for that, the nature of the root of the quadratic equation, that is an ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, depend upon the value of b square minus 4ac. As I told you, b square minus 4ac. Hence, it's called discriminant. Okay? This value is called discriminant and it is denoted by this delta. This the question based on this, they are going to ask you in your exam for 2 marks. Chalo, let's see how you are going to state that whether your delta is real or unequal or not equal. See, if the value of delta is equal to 0, means this value b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If this is 0, then you are going to write the roots are real and equal. Student, make a note of this. These 3 points. This is very important. Half marks are based on this statement. Even if you know the standard form of quadratic equation, you know how to find a value, and you got everything. But the last statement, if you are not able to state whether it is real or equal, whether it is unequal or not real, so your half marks will be deducted. So you're going to thorough with this 3 points. Okay? That is, if my delta's value is 0, then it will be real and equal. If it is greater than 0, then it will be real and equal. If it is less than 0, then it will be not real. Okay? As I explained you in my first lecture, what do you mean by real numbers? Real numbers. I hope you all are remembering what is real number. Real number means the number which can be drawn on the number line. Okay? Those are real number. I hope this is clear. This 3 point is clear to you all. See, if the value of delta is 0, then your root will be real and equal. Then your root will be real and equal. If it is 0. If it is what? If your delta is greater than 0, then your value will be real and unequal. Okay? And but if the delta is less than 0, the value will be not real. I hope these 3 points are clear. Now we are going to see the example based on this. Definitely 2 marks question they are going to ask you based on this. Okay, then let's see the example. This type of question you're going to get in your exam. That is, determine the nature of the root for each quadratic equation. Nature of the roots means you need to find the value of the delta, whether it is real or unequal, not equal or equal. Okay. Okay, for this kind of questions, what you're going to do, first you need to understand, I hope you all know what is the standard form of quadratic equation or general form. No doubt in that. Ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. So 1 marks are there in your hand. What you'll do? Comparing with ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. Yes, this is my standard form of quadratic equation. And the values are, what is the value of a? Is 2. Value of b is -5. Value of c is 3. Okay. Now your next part. B square minus 4ac. You're going to find the value of this delta. The value of this delta. Okay. Substitute the value. B ka value is -5. What is this? Square? Yes. This is minus. What is given? 4. The value of A is 2. The value of C is 3. Yes. Now you can solve 5 ka square, -5 into -5. -5 into -5, you will get 25. Minus 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Yes. 25 minus 24, you'll get 1. Okay. So tell me, b square minus 4ac, that is your delta, whether it is greater than 0? Yes, na, it is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0. It is greater than 0. So what will be your statement? The roots will be, if your delta is greater than 0, the roots will be real and unequal. I hope this is clear. The roots are real and unequal. See, student, how they are going to give you marks in your exam. See, for this, for comparing and writing the coefficient of x, you will get half marks. Okay. For this part, by substituting the values and finding this equation, you will get half marks. By stating this, whether it is greater than or less than 0, you will get half marks. And for this statement, you will get half marks. Then total, you will get 2 marks for this kind of question. I hope everyone, yes, who is raising their hand? Gaurav, do you want to ask? Any doubt is there? Gaurav, do you want to ask anything? Any doubt? Chalo. I hope this is clear to you all. The 2 marks are pakka in your hand. This is very easy. Just you need to understand those 3 points. This one. These 3 points you need to understand. This one, delta is equal to 0, less than 0, and greater than 0. Let's see the second example. Second example is x square minus 2x plus 9 by 4 is equal to 0. This is similar to this. Now what you are going to do? What you are going to do in this? Compare with ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. This is very easy step. Since beginning we are doing this standard form and general form of the quadratic equation. That is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now you'll get the value of this coefficient a, b and c. The value of a will be 1, b minus 2, c will be 9 by 4. After that, this is your delta, b square minus 4ac. It is denoted by this. Substitute the value of b square minus 4ac. B ka value is minus 2 square. Okay. Then 4. What is your value of a? Is 1. Value of c is 9 by 4. Okay. Minus 2 square. Minus 2 into minus 2. You'll get 4. Acha. 4 into 1. 9 by 4. 4 will get cancelled. 4 will cancel out. 9 ones are 9. You'll get 9 here. Okay. Then 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9. You'll get minus 5. Okay. Tell me whether delta is greater than 0 or less than 0. Negative sign is there. Means it will be less than 0. Minus 5 is less than 0. 0 is greater than minus 5. Okay. So, tell me the statement. What will be your statement? The roots of the given quadratic equations are? Your last statement is? What was your last statement? Not real. Write down the statement. Never ever forget to write this statement because half marks is based on this. Okay. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equations are not real. What? Not real. I hope this much is clear to you all. Is it clear? See student, these are your 2 marks question. 2 marks ka questions. And this is very easy. 2 marks are in your hand. Let's take more example based on this. This is your third example. 2x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Our first step will be, see in math you can score out of, but the funda is that only you need to practice. In mathematics, no shortcut. Only practice can make you perfect. And you can score out of marks in this. Algebra is very easy. Okay. Chalo. For this, comparing with what is this? Your standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You got the value of a. A ka value is, what is your a ka value? 2. B will be minus 3. C will be minus 4. Okay. Now your delta, which is b square minus 4ac. Acha. Tell me the value of b is minus 3. Okay. 4. The value of A is 2. The value of C is -4. Yes. -3 into -3. -3 into -3. What you will get? 3. The value will be in positive. -3 into -3, 9. Okay. 4, 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 8 minus 4. What value you will get? 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32, but it will be in minus because here the minus sign is there. Minus 32. I hope this is clear. Minus minus will get plus. 9 plus 32. Okay. Add this. What value you will get? 39 plus 140 plus 1, 41. 41. Yes. 41. The delta is greater than 0. Yes. What statement you are going to write? The roots are real and unequal. Yes. The roots of the given quadratic equations are real and unequal. Falguni, you're raising your hand.
Ma'am, will you explain the -4 into 2 into -4 once again?
Yeah, definitely. I'll explain. See, 4 into 2 is 8. Yes. 8 into -4. 8 into 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. Now the next is 8 into -4. When you're going to multiply this positive with negative, you will get the sign of negative. 4, sorry, 8 4s are this minus 32 you'll get.
Ma'am, we don't have to take that minus.
Why?
Before 4, that one.
This one?
3 के बाद, हाँ.
This one?
Yeah.
Now beta, it's there in your formula na. B square minus 4. B square minus 4AC. This is your formula. This is your delta now. Why you'll not take minus? You have to take that minus.
I mean, while multiplying those 4 into 2 into -4, we don't have to take that as -4, na?
Why we don't have to take?
First.
Array, see na, the equation -4 is given, then you have to take the sign of -4. If
टीचर
positive is
-4 नहीं, 2 के जो पहले 4 है -4,
हाँ,
-4 के तरह नहीं लेना है ना?
क्यों नहीं लिखना है -4 की तरह?
एस टीचर, अगर हम लोग ने -4 into 2 मल्टीप्लाई किया तो -8 आएगा.
अच्छा, this you are taking na, this, okay, this much. Yeah, this you are not going to take. You are going to take this much. You are solving this part. 4AC. Okay? What you are solving? 4AC.
Okay,
After solving that, you know the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule आपको पता है? First you are going to clear your brackets. ठीक है? After that you are going to solve.
Okay.
So you are going to hide this and you are going to solve this, and afterward. Any doubt?
Thank you.
I hope now it is clear. You're not going to consider this. You're going to solve this much part, and you got the value -33. Now open it and solve it.
Okay, ma'am.
Falguni,
Yeah, ma'am.
clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now your next example is See, this question is there in your textbook. Yes, this there in your textbook, and it was there in the exam also. Okay, in your exam also this question was asked. So similar to this, you're going to solve. How you're going to solve? Chalo, you're going to solve with me. That is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The coefficient of a, see, the coefficient of a is root 3. B is 2 root 3. Yeah. And C is root 3. Ahab, Tulia, no doubt? No doubt? 2 more hands were raising. Yes? Unmute yourself and ask. This is your 2 marks question. Why are you raising your hand?
Miss,
हाँ बोलो.
Miss, मैंने ये three upon three क्यों आया?
क्या क्या?
A upon three common inclusion.
I'm not getting.
COMPAING.
BAING.
COMPARING composition of
Comparing with. ये बोल रहे हो आप? This comparing with. Yes. Comparing with.
Yes. Miss, yes.
Why we are writing this? You're asking this, na? Why we are writing this comparing with?
Yes, Miss. No.
Because you need to understand ki standard form or general form. Agar, see, in our practice set 2.1 mein, if this equation is not in standard form of quadratic equation.
No, Miss. पर इधर से 3 equal to क्यों आया?
क्या? A equal to ये क्यों आया?
बोलोगे अभी इसको बोलने को?
Yes, this you are asking.
नहीं,
A is equal to.
3 is equal to क्यों आया? B upon 3 क्यों आया?
B is equal to 2 root 3 क्यों आया?
B equal to 3 क्यों आया? B upon 2 3 क्यों आया?
B upon 2 3. B upon ये. B is equal to 2 root 3 क्यों आया?
Yes, Miss.
The coefficient of B. The coefficient of B is 2 root 3.
Yes.
The coefficient
Miss.
is 2 root 3. That's why I have taken its 2 root 3. And the coefficient of C is root 3. That's why I have taken root 3. Okay now? Okay. And afterward, what you are going to do? Now this is clear now why I have taken 2 root 3, because the coefficient of B is 2 root 3.
Yes, Miss.
Now B square minus 4AC, you are going to substitute this value. B ka value is 2 root 3. It is square now. So you are going to square it. Minus 4. This is there in your formula. That's why we are taking 4. The value of A is root 3. And the value of
Yes.
C is also there, root 3. That's why I'm taking root 3. And this I explained you while your factorization method ki root 3 kya hota hai? What value you will get? I hope you all remember this. Okay. 2 ka square is 4. Okay? 2 ka square is 4. 2 2s are 4. Then root 3 into root 3, what you will get?
Yes.
Root 3 into root 3, what you will get? Yes,
Yes,
class.
Miss.
Root 3 into root 3 क्या मिलता है?
No. 5. 5 is.
अबे, root 3 into root 3, you will get 3.
3.
Okay. So what you will get? 2 ka square is 4. 4 into 3. This much is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Minus 4. Similarly, Root 3 into root 3, what you'll get? Root 3, just now I showed you. Root 3 into root 3, you'll get 3. Huh? Is it clear now? Itna clear hai? 4 3s are 12. This value, even 4 3s are 12. Okay? What is your answer? 12 minus 12 is 0. Okay? Who is raising your hand? Gaurav and Ria. Gaurav and Ria, do you have any doubt? Gaurav and Ria, you're raising your hand. Any doubt in any of the steps? You can ask. Yes? Okay. I hope this much is clear. Now, the value of your delta is 0. Okay, the value of your delta is 0. Then tell me your statement. Is it real and equal? The roots of the equation are real and equal? Yes, first one. Because this delta, your delta is equal to 0. And what you will write? What you will write? The roots of the given quadratic equations are, what is this? Real and equal. I hope this is clear to you all. This is your 2 marks question. This is your 2 marks question, class. This statement itself carry half marks. And this is your standard statement that you are studying from beginning. Means this half marks and this half marks. Already 1 marks is there in your hand. The coefficient, I think you already know, it's ratified you. What are the coefficient of A, B, and C? For this, just you need to by heart that B square minus 4AC, the formula, substitute the value and get the value of delta. You can easily get 2 marks. Okay. Now let's see the formula. Formula method. See, in the beginning, we have studied one formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula you must remember. Okay. Chalo. Based on that, this is our first step. We are going to solve based on that formula method. Okay. Chalo. We'll start. See, is this in the standard form or general form of quadratic equation? You'll say no, ma'am, our standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. For that, first I need to make it in the standard form. First, I need to make it in standard form. How I'll make? As I know, my standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is my standard form. I know it very well. So what I'll do 3q square. I'll take it to the left hand side. It will be minus 2q. When plus will come to the left hand, it will become minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, now this is my standard form of quadratic equation. Achha. Now, therefore, comparing with whatever we have studied, this step is similar to that. Only few steps you need to carry forward. See, comparing with ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now you will get the value of a. A ka value is 3, b ka value minus 2, and c will carry minus 8. Okay. Now what we were doing? B square, we will find the value of B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC. What I am doing, class? I am solving. Gaurav. Yes, Gaurav. Gaurav Gujar. Yes, ask. Any doubt? Gaurav, why are you raising your hand? If you have any doubt, unmute yourself and ask. This is your 3 marks question. And this is very easy. Just you need to remember that formula. Yes, Gaurav. Okay. B square minus 4AC. Okay. What is the value of B? What we were doing previously, similarly we are going to solve. B ka value is minus 2. This is square, square, minus this is, minus is given, that's why I have taken minus. Then 4. A ka value is 3 and C ka value is minus 8. Okay. Minus 2 ka square will become 4. Minus minus will get cancelled. This is your minus. 4 3s are 12. 12 8s are 96. But this is minus. Then it will be 96. Now 4 plus 96. What you'll get? You'll get 100. You got the value of B square minus 4AC. Yes. You got the value of B square minus 4AC. Okay. The next step. I hope you all remembering this formula. This formula. X is equal to minus B plus or minus root B square minus 4AC divide by 2A. This is your formula. Formula method mein this is your formula. Yes. Now you got the value of this B square minus 4AC. Acha student, why we are taking plus or minus? Plus or minus? Because the square root will get 2 root. One root will be in plus, one root will be in minus. The 2 root, the value of the roots will be 2. That is plus and minus. That's why we are taking here plus and minus. Okay. Now just substitute the value. B's value is minus 2. B ka value is minus 2. Minus 2 is there, but it is here also minus, therefore minus 2. This will be plus or minus. The value of B square minus 4AC is 100. The value of B square minus 4AC is 100. Yes. Just put this value in this bracket, that is your 100. Divide by 2. The value of A is 3 into 3. Shabir. Yes, Shabir. Okay. Now this minus minus will get cancelled. You'll get 2 plus or minus 100 ka square. What will be 100 square? 10 tens are 100. You will get 10. Here will be 2 3s are 6. Okay. This much is clear. Now this much is clear to you all. Now you'll get 2 root of x. That is 2 plus 10 divided by 6. This will be 1. Or x is equal to 2 minus 10 divided by 6. Okay. Chalo. 2 plus 10 is 12 divided by 6. Or x is equal to 2 minus 10 will be minus 8 divided by 6. Chalo. Now cancel this. 2 ones are 2, sorry, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. This will also cancel out in 2 ka sum. 2 threes are 2 fours are 2 threes are 2 fours are. So 2 roots you got. What were your 2 roots? One is 2, one is minus 4 by 3. The roots, 2 roots you got. Just write down your answer. That is 2 and minus 4 by 3. What are those? Are the roots of given quadratic equation. Are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay. Yes, student, anyone is having any doubt in this formula method? This is very easy. Fully based on this formula. You need to by heart this formula. Okay. Just you need to by heart this formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This question they are going to ask you for 3 marks. 3 to 4 marks. Sometimes they ask for 4 marks, sometimes for 3 marks. As you prepared this, Mangesh, you are raising a hand. Mangesh. Yes. See, this much part will give you 2 marks as we have solved that determine whether this is the root. What determine the roots of the quadratic equation. This much part you'll solve, you'll get 2 marks. So just the extension of this formula. Okay. So only this method is carrying 4 marks, 2 to 4 marks. So be prepared for it. Any doubt in this you can ask, or we will take one more example. I hope everything is clear. This is my next example. See, even this is not in standard form of quadratic equation. So my first step is to make it in standard form. What I'll do? See, student, for this I explained you one thing, that you should remember all the algebraic formula. That is a minus b the whole square, a square minus b square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b the whole cube. Okay, I hope these all formulas you all know very well. I'm assuming that. Okay. Okay. In this, what I'll do, my first step is to solve this. Okay. X minus 1 the whole square. What I'll do here? What I'll do here, class? Solve करो इसको. कैसे करेंगे? A minus A, just now I told you A minus B the whole square. A minus B the whole square. Is this in that form? This is A, this is B whole square. Yeah, this is in form of. And what I'll do, इसका formula क्या होता है? A square minus 2AB plus B the whole square. ठीक है? Similarly, I'll take this variable and solve. क्या हो जाएगा ये? ये क्या है? A, that is x square minus 2ab minus 2x into 1, that is 2x. b square, 1 का square minus 1 है, 1 का square क्या हो जाएगा? क्या हो जाएगा? 1 sign will cancel, this will become 1. क्या हो गया ये? और इधर क्या है? ये similarly मैं इसको नीचे ले लूंगी 2x plus 3. ठीक है? Now I'll make it in my standard form. My standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. ठीक है? So x square minus 2x, this I'll take it to the left hand side. It will become minus 2x. This is plus 1 When this plus come to the left hand side, it will become minus, become 0. Okay. Now, x square will be as it is. Minus 2x will give you minus 4x. Okay. Plus 1 minus 3, you will get minus 2. Yes. This is my standard form of quadratic equation. Now, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I got the value of a. A ka value is 1. B ka value minus 4. C value minus 2. Okay. Now, next step is b square minus 4ac. B square is minus 4 square minus 4. A ka value is 1. C ka minus 2. Solve it. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. This is minus 4 into 1, 4. 4 into minus 2, 8. Minus 8. What you'll get? 16 plus 8. What is your value? 16 plus 8. 16 plus 4 is 20. 4 is remaining. That is 24. I hope this much is clear to you all. How I solve it. See, if they are not giving you standard form, the equation is not in standard form, then you have to do it in standard form. So in this kind of question, they'll make this formula method for 4 marks. For 4 marks. Because once extra step have been added, you're making it into standard form and then you're finding the coefficient of A, B, and C. And afterward, you're substituting this value in this and you'll get the value of delta. Your step have been increased. That's why the marks will also be increased. So in formula method also, previously we solved, those were 3 marks question. Yes, Roshan? Roshan? Just now you raise your hand. Yes, Roshan. Unmute and ask whatever you want to ask. Roshan Yadav.
स्टेप नहीं सुनता है
What?
मैं यहाँ पे compare with x2 bx plus
I can't get you. Hello.
हाँ नहीं
Yes. What are you asking?
एक मिनट टीचर मिस ये नहीं सुनना मेरे को
क्या?
हेलो टीचर
हाँ, yes.
compare
ask
with a axis square plus b axis plus c
अरे.
मिस मैं बोल रहा हूँ
Yes. बोलो. बोलो.
compare with a axis square plus bx plus c is equal to 0
Acha. Roshan, since beginning, what we were doing, Beta, where were you? Since beginning, we are doing this ax square plus bx plus c. This is our standard form of quadratic equation. Since our first class, we are stick to this. कि ये standard form of quadratic equation है. You are never ever going to forget this.
oh
ठीक है?
formula now ना
Yeah, what?
formula
This is not formula. This is your standard form of quadratic equation. This ये पहला हमारा equation was not there in standard form. Is it in standard form? नहीं था ना. हमारा standard form of quadratic equation क्या होता है? ax square plus bx plus c. तो first we make it into standard form. इसको पहले हमने standard form में बनाया. Then we got the coefficient of a, b and c. Understood? For this step only you will get half marks. I explained you in your previous example whatever we have taken. उधर मैंने बताया था कि these all for this comparing with ax square bx plus c. This is your standard and general form of quadratic equation.
yeah
क्या है ये स्टैंडर्ड और जनरल फॉर्म? फर्स्ट लेक्चर में क्या पढ़ा था हमने? यही पढ़ा था, दैट इज ax square plus bx plus c क्या होता है? That is your standard form of quadratic equation. Without this you can't solve quadratic equation if you are not knowing its standard form only.
Okay, miss. I
Okay.
understood.
Okay.
Continue, teacher.
Chalo. Then I hope this much is clear. Just I have substituted the value and find the value of
Yeah.
my delta. ठीक है. Now tell me the Roshan formula. क्या है formula हमारा formula method का?
A square plus minus 2b
What?
2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab
I'm
plus b
asking you
square.
formula method. I'm asking you formula method का formula I'm asking you.
Um,
Tell me the formula. क्या है formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac. चलो, you're going to repeat this with me.
X
Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divide by 2a.
2a.
Nail this formula in your mind. ठीक
X
है?
equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a.
Yes.
Okay.
You're never ever going to forget this formula. भूलोगे कभी?
नहीं भूलेंगे टीचर.
Yeah, very good. Chalo, we'll continue now. I hope you know the value of b. b का value क्या दिया है?
minus
-4.
4.
That is plus or minus root b square का value कितना है आपको? 24. 2 into 1 का value is 1. Sorry, a का value is 1. ठीक है? Then this 4 see minus minus है तो it will get cancelled. 4 हो जाएगा plus or minus root 24 divide by 2. ठीक है? Now what is this? 4 plus root 2 value you will get na? 4 plus root 24 by 2. This is your 1 plus or minus. For 1x will be 4 minus root 24 divided by 2. Okay. Chalo. Now you can cancel this 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Even this you can cancel out. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are. Okay. Then what you are left with? X ka 2 values are 2 plus root 24. This is your first root. And your second root will be 2 minus root 24. I hope this is clear. Now the final step, what you are going to write? What you are going to write? It will give you half marks. Never ever forget to write this. क्या है? 2 plus root 24 and 2 minus root 24 are the roots of given quadratic equation. I hope this is clear to you all. See class, this is your 4 marks question. 4 marks का question है. And nothing so great in this. This is very easy formula method. Just you need to remember this formula. Huh? Only this formula. Everything is based on this. In this, you are not going to factorize it. You are not going to find the factor. Just you need to know the standard form. I hope this everyone knows. Standard form तो सबको पता होगा. ठीक है? The coefficient you need to find, just substitute the value and get your answer. And you're done with your 4 marks questions. Yes? Again, Roshan, you're raising your hand. Yes, Roshan. Unmute करो पहले. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself first. Yes.
मिस अच्छे से करो, मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले हूं. मिस बहुत अच्छे से समझा मेरे को.
समझा? Very good.
ओके मिस. मिस मेरे को ये आता नहीं है, ये वाला चैप्टर, सेकंड चैप्टर वाला कोऑर्डिनेट इक्वेशन.
Now you understood, na?
या
Very good. Now means 4 marks is there in your hand, ना? 4 marks तुमको मिल जाएंगे बोर्ड एग्जाम में.
ओके.
चलो, we'll take next example.
Ma'am, we'll stop here. Time is up.
Okay, ma'am. Chalo, student, we are going to continue with the 2 or 3 more example based on this. Those were your board exam ka question. We'll solve it in our next lecture. Okay? Thanks for today. Bye. Take care and practice this sum.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
ma'am.
student.